My name is Marcelinette Chepkirui Rotich, a director at Ketraco. I chair the Staff and Remuneration Committee of the board, and I also happen to come from this great county of Bomet. Today we are in Bomet County. I am standing at Bomet substation. We have been on this trip specifically to demonstrate to you evacuation of power from Olkaria geothermal plant through Narok and then to Bomet. Currently, the residents of Bomet get their power from the same Olkaria. However, the power goes through a very long route. It goes from Olkaria to Lesos. From Lesos, it goes to Kibos. From Kibos to Mamboleo in Kisumu. From Mamboleo, it goes to Muhoroni. And from Muhoroni, it goes to Chemosit. And from Chemosit, it goes to Sotik and then to Bomet. Clearly, that is a very long route, and that occasions unreliability of the power. And that is why we have regular blackouts and system disturbances in Bomet County. Very many residents of Bomet have experienced inconveniences every evening due to power blackouts, and it also extends to the businesses in Bomet. The main economic activity in this region of Bomet is farming, mainly tea farming and also dairy farming. We do have about 15 tea factories that are inconvenienced with this interruption of power supply, and we also have 2 dairy plants, that is Siongiroi dairy plant and Kipsonoi Kulan. All these businesses face interruptions because of poor power quality. So we bring you good news today to the residents of Bomet that through our company we have a project called the Kenya Transmission Network Improvement Project. And under this project, Ketraco is looking at 3 high voltage projects. That is Narok Bomet line, Rumuruti Kabarnet line, and Malindi Weru Kilifi line. These 3 lines are actually priority projects at Ketraco, and they will be done in the short term. For Bomet residents, we are looking at a time frame of about 13 months where we'll be able to evacuate power to a shorter route, that is from Olkaria through Narok and to Bomet. The Narok-Bomet line is going to be 81 kilometers of 132 kV that's going to bring more power to the residents of Bomet. Olkaria-Narok route is already complete and supplying enough power to Narok, which is actually in excess. And some of that power can actually be extended from Narok now to Bomet. We are also pleased to inform you, the residents of Bomet, that yesterday we had a courtesy call to the county government of Bomet and also the county commissioner of Bomet, who have assured us as a company that even as we do the construction for this transmission line and associated substations, they have assured us of their support in accelerating wayleaves acquisitions and compensation for the landowners along the corridor of the line. We also want to assure you of the support of the national government and the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum in ensuring that we get the necessary approvals on time for us to be able to complete this project within the time frame. When the Narok-Bomet line gets energized, the Kenya Transmission Network Improvement Project aligns very well with the power needs of Bomet County. We have been reliably informed that Bomet will be requiring more power to do several extensions and developments in the county. So the requirements at Bomet County would be the new projects coming up, and the first one is the Sotik Industrial Park. The second one is Mulot Software Factory, that will be the Silicon of the Valley. And the other one is Tenwek Hospital. They are putting up a huge cardiothoracic unit, and also Mother and Child Hospital. All these developments in the county would require reliable power, and there's also the need for an airport that will be utilized by the hospital to evacuate patients or to bring patients into the cardiothoracic hospital. Power is therefore a key enabler to all these projects that are coming up in the county, and we are proud to inform you, the residents of Bomet, that with our Kenya Transmission Improvement Program, all the issues of power needs are going to be resolved in the county, and you will no longer have a problem with the blackouts that we have been experiencing, especially during the peak hours. Thank you.